Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, Editor-in-Chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. We're going to do something a little different today. We thought I'd change it up. We're actually going to do a live unboxing of our new SS4 Plus 11-inch rotor Baer Brakes disc brake conversion kit for our 69 Dodge Charger. We've been throwing a lot of parts at this car in recent months. We're actually kind of going super crazy, full throttle, primarily because we have a June deadline to get this car ready for the Hot Rod Power Tour. That's always been a big, I would say, bucket list item for me. That's something I've always wanted to do. And this is going to be my first opportunity to do the whole Power Tour from beginning to end in a car that I've built with my own hands. And we're going to be recording it and publishing everything for all of you guys here on the YouTube channel, as well as on moparconnectionmagazine.com. So it's pretty exciting stuff. But in order for us to really be successful in doing so, we got to make this car really road friendly. And one of the key features in being a road friendly car is a good set of brakes. So we're going to crack open our new kit, show you exactly what you get when you order the 11-inch rotor SS4 Plus kit. This kit is designed for a 15-inch rim, and we're running the well drag lights, so we definitely don't have a lot of room to play with. We're only doing the front brakes. We still have our big 11-inch drums in the back. We're going to keep those. That's okay. But we definitely want to get the front of that car to come to a really good, strong stop. Now, we had gone from drum brakes to disc brakes, but the conversion we did was a junkyard mid-70s A body swap onto a late 60s B body. And the trick with that is you simply just take the spindles and swap them around, and you're in like Flynn. It's actually a really good junkyard swap, and it really did serve this car rather well. In fact, the car stops pretty good, but considering how much driving we're going to do, we don't want to have any sort of brake fade. We definitely want to step up from the master cylinder we've got. So we really are excited to be working with the guys at Baer Brakes and going whole hog with a modern set of disc brakes. So again, pretty exciting stuff. Let's dig into the boxes and see what we got. All right, we got our trusty box cutter. These come incredibly well packed. We're actually pretty impressed with how compact everything fits into this kit, into just 3 boxes. But here we go. First, we got our really nice set of sealed hubs. And we already know that these hubs come pre-packed. We're going to take washer out of the way. We'll show you. They already come pre-packed with Redline Oil's bearing grease. So we got some really high quality synthetic grease in here. Let's put the cap back on. Let's show you the other side. We already have a brand new, obviously we're going to have a brand new seal with a beautiful bearing. This is really a nice piece. So these are already coming to you ready, sealed. Just put it on your spindle. Now, when we ordered our kit, we let the guys at Baer know that we were running disc brakes already on the front. So what they gave us was just an upgrade kit. They didn't have to send us a whole new set of spindles. So let's put these hubs over to the side just for a second and see what else we got. Oh, look at these. Absolutely beautiful. These big slotted, drilled, these 11-inch rotors are definitely going to help us come to a nice, steady stop without the brake fade that we get with our standard factory solid rotors. So this is exciting. And then the second rotor's right here below the first. But what a great piece. And they let you know that these are directional rotors. We have the big sticker with the R on it, left on the other side. But this is really exciting. Really quality packaging, really quality kit. One of the really nice things about the 11-inch slotted rotors, so they do come already set up with some very nice stainless hardware. These aren't going to rust. They're not going to oxidize. they're going to keep looking just as good as they did coming out of the box. So again, really quality kit, really exciting parts. But let's move on to the next box. Obviously, we're going to be doing a full installation tutorial on this kit. But right now, we just want to tease a little bit about what we got coming up so that you guys on the YouTube channel get kind of a sneak preview of future content for the magazine. We get our instructions, and we get a brand new license plate frame. We're not running a frame right now, so maybe we might take him up and use this while we drive on Power Tour. Okay. I have a good idea as to what these are. We have our caliper brackets that are billet machined to attach to our factory spindles. These are going to help set us up to get our brand new 4-piston calipers on top of those 11-inch rotors. Now, one of the things that people don't take into account when it comes to ordering from Baer Brakes is that Baer offers different powder-coated finishes for your caliper. We thought about getting them to color match the Charger, but we thought maybe that would just hide a little bit of how cool these new S4 calipers are. So we went with their bright silver caliper. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see, again, it is a 4-piston caliper already fitted with their new brake pads. So what we got here are our braided steel lines with some super nice stainless hardware. And we've got a set of billet dust caps that will fit hopefully inside of our weld caps that we've got on our rims. But these look absolutely beautiful. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. We got one more thing to check out. So let's go to the last box that we got, and possibly one of the most exciting ones for me. And we've already done an installation on our Autocross Pro Touring build. That's the Orange Crush, a 72 Dodge Dart that you can see on the magazine's project page. The Baer Brakes Remaster Master Cylinder. This is one of the most advanced master cylinders you can get from the aftermarket, and especially for your classic Mopar. One of the best kits that we've encountered, and just really a quality piece. I'm almost afraid to take it out of the box just because it's so nicely packed. We've got our proportioning valve here all set up. We've got all of our hardware. We've got our lines and matching our calipers. Our remaster comes to us in bright silver. You can pick it any color you want, just like your calipers. They have the same options that you've got there. But what a really beautiful piece. And of course, all your Baer Brakes parts and components are machined and sent to you from Phoenix, Arizona. These are American-made, really, really great pieces. Just awesome. Just really one of the more impressive pieces. Just elated to get my hands on one of these. Really, I'm really excited to bench bleed this and to get it going. Just going to be awesome. So we definitely have a lot of work ahead of us when it comes to getting this 10-second street strip Charger ready for over 1,000 miles at this year's Hot Rod Power Tour in June. Hopefully you guys have already subscribed to the YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, head over to www.moparconnectionmagazine.com, where new articles are published every day, Monday through Friday, so you don't miss out on any of the updates on this and our other project cars. So thanks again, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, why don't you leave a thumbs up and leave a comment? We'd love to know what your thoughts are, and we'll talk to you soon.